Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I will be rotating the project north to adjust the structural Revit model orientation. Up to this point, I've already linked the architectural Revit model, made adjustments to the visibility graphics, created levels, and set up my plan views. I have a copy of the architectural Revit model open, and looking at the floor plan view, I can see that the orientation of the architectural Revit model has been rotated to fit within the title block. Going back to my structural model, when I linked this architectural model, Revit only recognized the project true north. Revit completely ignores the project north settings when you link a model. So if the architect has modified the project north in the architectural Revit model, none of those project north modifications will transfer over with the linking process. And unfortunately, Revit doesn't have an option to manually transfer the project north settings over. So if I go to the Manage tab, select Transfer Project Standards, select the linked architectural model, and I scroll down to the project area, I see that there's only project information and project parameters, no project north settings. So what this means is that I have to modify the project north settings manually to match the architectural Revit model orientation. I do this by going to the position option on the Manage tab and selecting Rotate Project North. And I know I want to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. And this is a warning from Revit telling me that the command has successfully processed 84 elements in the structural model. So now when I zoom extends, I see that my structural model orientation now matches the architectural model orientation. So I'm just verifying my additional plan views match that same orientation. If you run into the issue where you have rotated your project north, but your model orientation has not changed, verify that your view orientation is set to project north. The view orientation can be found on the properties window. When I change the view orientation to true north, the model is rotated back to its original orientation. If I change the view orientation to project north, the model rotates to the project north rotation angle that I specified. And that's a wrap for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.